It's an interesting day in Tamil Nadu because everybody is now glued to TV and digital platforms to know the numbers, because this time it's not just the Dravidian parties but we also have Samrada Vekkaparaga. And we are coming to you from the DMK head office, Arivalayam. You can see the huge board here with what's written in this. It's Dravidian Model 2.0 loading, and it shows 3 hours, 7 minutes and 9 seconds left. The DMK quite confident that this time around they will definitely come back to power for the second consecutive term. And if that happens, then it is history, because so far the DMK, when it came to power, they've not come back to power for the second consecutive term. So all eyes on that. But this is the mood here at the DMK office, Arivalayam. Our preparations are also underway. In case the DMK comes back to power, they will garland the statues here. So we're already now setting up a stage. If you can see, if my camera person Saravanan, can you say the kind of preparations that are underway here at 8:30 a.m. They are preparing a stage here. They will garland Karunanidhi's statue and another statue. So that's the mood here. The mood is upbeat here, even as the counting is underway. We've seen a lot of cadre gather here as early as 7 a.m. There were very slogans saying that starting with and back to power to the second consecutive term. And here you can see a lot of nervousness as well as excitement here, and people here waiting for the results. Everyone here watching the results. If I can ask my camera person to show you, this is the kind of thumb that's gathered here at 8:30 a.m. The numbers, it's tidy, the sense of nervousness as well as excitement, and everybody's watching the numbers because they really don't want to say much before the numbers are out, before the early trends are here. But the kind of mood here is this: everybody here to get more clarity on definitely an interesting election as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned. As I said, so far Tamil Nadu has always been ruled by one of the Dravidian parties here, either the DMK or the AIAP. This time around, especially after the demise of Jayalalitha and Karunanidhi, we also have Samrada Vekkaparaga Chief Vijay, who's made his debut this time. All eyes on TVK's performance, because the questions that revolve around Tamil Nadu elections is about Vijay, whether he will be the kingmaker. All eyes on the numbers, but TVK also is one of the parties that's eagerly waiting to know the results. DMK camp is confident. If you look at the ADMK camp, they're confident. TVK is also confident that this time around the numbers will be in their favor. So all of them extremely confident, and preparations at the DMK office is also continuing here. They are making the stage ready here at the DMK office, but early stands, we'll have to wait to see how that stands out and how Vijay will perform, because everybody wants to know about Vijay's performance, whether there will be an impact of Vijay's debut, and will it hurt the DMK more or the AIA DMK more? These are the questions for which everybody wants to know the answers. There's a lot of excitement. Vijay is the X Factor this time, and the two Dravidian parties are also eagerly and nervously watching the results. Next 2-3 hours going to be teaching. But here at the DMK office, what I can tell you is that we are also confident that for the first time, the DMK will come back to power for the second consecutive term. They feel clear. You can see the kind of preparations that are underway. Some of the senior leaders, including TK Silangovan, they've already come here. People here are confident that DMK will come back to power. Next 2 hours, let us know which way Tamil Nadu will go this time.